everywhere! Jack, run! Don't stop, Lily. Keep going!
Everybody move! Move now! Good morning, sleepyheads! Are you ready for a big day? Yes! Are we really going on the jungle trail today?
We are. A guide is taking us to see toucans and waterfalls.
Can we see monkeys too? I love monkeys.
You love everything, Lily. Even the ants on the porch.
Ants are cute. Don't be mean, Jack.
Okay. Eat your mango first, then we go.
Mom, can I bring my net? Maybe I'll catch a butterfly.
You can bring it, but only look. Don't catch anything, okay?
I want to bring my sun hat. It has flowers on it.
Perfect. Flowers for the flower girl.
Careful, Lily. Real flowers might have real bees. Jack, stop trying to scare me. I'm not scaring you. I'm just saying.
There's the trail sign. Rainforest Adventure Walk.
I can hear a waterfall already.
Look, a guide is waiting for us.
Hello, family. My name is Finn. I am your jungle guide today.
Nice to meet you, Finn. The kids are very excited.
Good. One important rule before we start. Never touch anything on the trail. Not rocks, not plants, not anything gold or shiny. Just look with your eyes.
Not even pretty things?
Not even pretty things. The jungle can surprise you.
Don't worry, Lily. I'll watch you. I don't need watching. I'm not a baby.
Okay, little explorers. Follow me and stay on the path.
Look at that waterfall. It's beautiful.
Race you to the big tree, Lily. You always win. That's not fair.
Slow down, both of you. Stay on the path.
Look up there! A family of monkeys!
Oh, they're so cute. Hello, monkeys. One of them is looking right at me. Wait, everyone stop. I saw something move in the grass. What? What was it? I think it was a snake.
Mark, get the kids back.
Everyone, stay calm. Let me look.
Ha! It's okay. It was just a big green lizard. It's already gone. That's enough excitement for one trail, don't you think?
Phew. My heart is beating so fast. Sorry, I really thought it was a snake. Look, a golden rock in that tree. It's so shiny. Lily, remember what Finn said. Don't touch it. I'm not touching it. I'm just poking it a little.
Lily, wait! Step back right now!
What is that buzzing sound? Lily, that's not a rock. That's a beehive.
Everybody move! Move now!
Ow! 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 Something stung me.
Run toward the water! Follow Finn!
I can't run fast. My leg hurts. I've got you. Hold my hand.
Almost there. Do not stop. Sarah, where's Lily?
Jack has her. Keep going.
Jack, don't let go. I won't. I promise.
In the water! Everyone! Bees don't like water.
They're gone. They're really gone? You're safe now, Lily. I promise. Oh, my brave girl. Let me see your arm. It stings so much, Mom.
Everyone breathe. We're okay. We're all okay. Let me clean these stings for you. This will help the pain.
Thank you, Finn. I'm sorry I didn't listen.
It's okay. Now you know why we have that rule.
Why did the bees get so angry?
When something touches their home, bees think it's an attack. They protect their hive together.
So it wasn't really a rock's fault. It was Lily's poking.
Ha! Don't worry. Everyone learns this lesson once. Some things that look pretty can still be dangerous.
I will never touch a shiny rock again.
How do you feel now, sweetheart?
Much better. Jack saved me.
We saved each other. That's what family does.
Tomorrow, let's just watch the monkeys from far away.
And never touch a rock that buzzes. Good idea. No touching anything. Not even Jack's smelly shoes. I do now. Never touch anything shiny or gold. Tell us in the comments to Pang. What was Finn's first rule?